Hello and welcome to this videocast about power tagging for SharePoint 2013. I will show you how to leverage SharePoint installation by using semantic technologies. In the background of this application, we use a thesaurus for a certain domain, in this example for renewable energy. And it helps to automatically annotate and tag content from a SharePoint server, which later on will improve search dramatically. So the first step always is, okay, how can we help people to structure unstructured information, like, let's say, text, like an article, in that case about CCM, which is a very important topic in the area of renewable energy and climate protection. It's an abbreviation for climate change mitigation, and CCM and climate change mitigation is actually the same thing. And that's a very typical situation when you start to tag a content. You are very often confronted with a lot of effort, so you have to add abbreviations and synonyms and probably more the broader meaning of a tag and things like that. So most often users don't tag at all. With the thesaurus in the background, everything happens completely automatically. Let's take a look on the properties of this site. Here you see all the tags which were asserted completely automatically. And the same thing here, CCM, although in the whole text there is never mentioned the word climate change mitigation, it was automatically added. So you can see here climate change mitigation, which is stored together with all the synonyms of this phrase or of this concept actually. Okay, so that's how everything happens more or less in the background automatically. You can also do that manually if you like. So you could click here and edit item tags. You get a dialog like that one. You can add your own. You can deselect the automatical ones. You can say, no, those two are not good. You can also search for tags. So if you want to add something like carbon trade systems, you see it's done with autocomplete, and you can add them here and save. So you can decide whether to do everything automatically or in addition to this automatic tagging process to add your own manual tags. As soon as the content is tagged, you can go to the search and see what happens if you search for climate change mitigation, for instance. First of all, the autocomplete functionality helps you to find the right search phrases, which is again based on the thesaurus. And what you can see here, in addition to the actual search phrase, also up here in the URL, you will see that also synonyms are used for search, in that case CCM once again. So you see you will find articles which are principally the same thing as what you have been looking for. We call it concept-based search, so you can fill in any search phrase referring to a certain concept. As soon as it's a synonym or an abbreviation of that concept, you will find the corresponding documents. And here on the left side, you can see how search is enhanced by search facets. Those search facets are derived from the thesaurus once again, so you have full control of how to establish a faceted search. And the whole search engine you can see here is the semantic, or is the SharePoint search itself, and it's enriched with these semantic features. And yeah, you can virtually use it for any kind of industry. There are a lot of thesauri and taxonomies around on the market. You can, of course, also create your own domain-specific or company-specific thesaurus, and you will benefit a lot from better search results and the automatic tagging process in the background, which makes information much better accessible, and the precision of your search engine is much higher than it would be a simple full text search.